Thank you for clicking on this video link. You're clearly interested in becoming a mind reader. Mind reader when you're prospecting. Now, it's not rocket science in terms of personalities, because there's lots of telltale signs when you meet someone what their strongest personality style is. Now, we all know at this level of business that personality profiling is a valuable tool to have, and meeting people halfway in terms of profiling, absolutely best way for business relationships. When you're prospecting though, what you really want to do is push your flexibility and adaptability and kind of virtually morph into a different personality style when prospecting. And there are those telltale signs. Like I say, whether you meet somebody face to face, or whether it's on a video, or whether you're just prospecting through looking at profiles on LinkedIn, there are ways to understand what someone's strongest personality style is. You know, if they're like you, then it's fine. You just rub along and get along with people. But when you're prospecting and the person's style is opposite to yours, how can you change your language so that you make the right first impression? Join me on the workshop and I'll share with you what those tools are and how you can read signs just by looking at someone's LinkedIn profile or their body language when you meet them in the room. I look forward to meeting you then and taking you on that journey. Bye for now.